Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find the center and the radius of the standard form in here. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by number 2. Next, negative 6x I will put in here. So number 6, that is about number 2 multiplied by number 3. So we need to add about 3 square in here. Later that we need to minus about 3 square in here. About y, that is about number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So we need to add about 1 over 2 square. Later that we need to minus about 1 over 2 square in here. So this one, that is about identities, and we have s minus number 3 to the power of 2. This one we have y plus 1 over 2 to the power of 2. And this one we have negative 35 over 4. So I will put this one go to the right. And now we have the formula of the circle in here. That is about s minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 equals to r square. So we know that the center that is about AB, and the r that is about the radius in here. So for this one, this number in here, that is about the square root of 35 over number 2, everything to the power of 2. So the center of this one, that should be about number 3 and negative 1 over 2, because this one we have negative b, but this one we have positive. That means the side of this one should be about negative in here. That's why negative negative we have positive, and the radius is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.